Hello you beautiful people, I hope you are doing fantastic wherever this video finds you today, and it's a sad Liquid here, giving you a warm welcome back or to the channel. And I'm sad because I've recently returned back to the UK after spending some well enjoyed time with family in Serbia. But on a happy positive note, I'm bringing you a walk around video of a beautiful MiG-29. Alex and I travelled to Hungary, where we visited the awesome Reptar Aviation Museum in Szolnok. And after putting up a little poll here on the old YouTubes to see what video you wanted for today, the MiG-29 won that vote. So I'll give you this walk around today, as well as an awesome look at one of the engines that powers the mighty MiG-29. I'll be editing a bunch of stuff from my travels next week, and we'll also be getting back into some DCS content, but for now I hope you enjoy this walk around video, and as always it's a massive thanks to you for watching.